So we started talking grammar on Monday or maybe even Tuesday. Maybe it was Tuesday. So remember, we're talking about nouns, and nouns are a what? Okay, they are a person, place, or thing. So a singular noun, you can think of the song, All the Single Ladies, All the Single Ladies. So that means that a singular noun is only one. So singular noun is one person, place, or thing. A plural noun names more than one person, place, or thing. Okay, so most of the time you're just going to add an S, but sometimes you're going to add an ES to the end of singular nouns to make them plural. Okay, so teachers ends in ER, so you would just add an S. But if you have something like bush, many bushes would be bushes, you wouldn't say BUSHS. You would have to add the ES. So everybody box right here because these are important to remember. These, if they end in these letters, you're going to add ES. And remember, you need to be able to use this form when you're filling out this question. I don't expect you to remember this right away, but you can look back to it and then find the answer. Look back to it and find the answer. To form the plural of nouns ending in a consonant followed by the letter Y, you're going to change the Y to I and add ES. Okay? The word candy. Okay? One candy. I bought many candies. You change the Y to an I, and then you add the ES. Okay? So if it ends in a Y, you're going to change it to an I and add ES. Okay? So on the line provided, we're going to write the correct plural form of each noun in parentheses. Okay? We saw baby bears coming out of the den. So this is a singular noun. We need to change it to plural, meaning there's more than one bear. And how are we going to do that? Are we going to do just an S, or are we going to add an ES? Well, it ends in R, none of these fancy letters, so it's just an S. BEARS. Number 2, the bush needed to be trimmed. The bushes needed to be trimmed. This ends in that digraph, sh. Sh. So we're going to add the ES. Bush as. After the rain, the matches were useless. It ends in CH, ch, matches. So we have to CH, ES. How many phones are in the house? Ends in an E. We wouldn't add another E. We wouldn't write phonies. That's not right. So you just add one S. Phone. Okay, I want you to do the rest of them. Still write it, but also answer the questions on this video, okay? Name 2 countries that border the United States. Based on our information up here, what do we change countries to? Airplanes make travel a lot easier. Ends in an E already. Based on the information up here, what do we change this to? How do we make it plural? Do you know what is in those boxes? Based on the information up here, how do we make the word boxes plural? The store was filled with colorful dresses. Already ends in an S, so based on the information up here, what do we change it to? How many quizzes did you have this week? There are 10 copies of the book on the shelf. So please be aware that singular nouns and plural nouns are the focus for this grammar lesson this week.